Hi guys, this is James. So, are you looking for cloud storage, autoresponder, webinar, funnel builder, as well as hosting? Well, ProSuite is launching 11th March at 11 a.m. Eastern, and it is a suite of all these 5 platforms or 5 services. I've got a quick walkthrough coming up, but before that, check out this demo. Okay, people, let's have a look at the sales page of ProSuite to pick out features and benefits, as well as the flaws I was referring to earlier. Now, ProSuite claims that they are the first all-in-one automated platform for cloud hosting, file storage, autoresponders, funnel building, webinar creation, and graphic designing as well. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 platforms or services. And some of these kind of services, when they bundle several platforms together, they may not even work at all, or at the best, just one or two work well, and the rest just fall way behind, and you end up with problems. So that is my first caution when you use these kind of tools. Now, the great thing is, of course, the creators of ProSuite is giving you 30 days to check it out and see how it functions. Now, of course, if everything works well, then it is worthwhile paying this lowest one-time cost. Or even if it doesn't, just be happy that one at least out of these 6 services would work well. So take note of this, guys. You will get Pro Crypto, Pro Calls, Members Pro, Pro WhatsApp Store Builder for free when you grab ProSuite today. So with ProSuite, you get unlimited hosting of sites and domains with just this one-time low cost. It comes with lightning speed loading with SSL encryption. Now, without any comparison with other services, what does lightning speed mean actually? How fast is it compared to the others? It's a bit difficult to verify this without any comparison. There is a WordPress installer built in, limitless backup and save storage of files. You have one-click creation and hosting of webinars and live video conferences. Convert customers in real time using top autoresponder integration. Instant generation of high converting sales funnels and pages. Inbuilt automated designer for stunning graphics. And there's a lot of irrelevant information on this sales page, so I'm just going to ignore that. Now, this ProSuite is created by Uddhad Pramanik. Now, you'll find some testimonials on the sales page. Actually, there are 3. And the first thing you would note is that none of these people have stated their names, and I find that a bit odd. Why would they withhold their names? And therefore, there is the credibility is missing. And the second thing is also that I find this testimonial titled, well, Amit Gaitwak gives extraordinary support. And then further down, he goes on to say that Uddhad gives extraordinary support. So I got no idea what's going on here. Is Uddhad the creator, or is this guy Amit the creator? I have no clue. So ProSuite is comparing themselves with some other services like Dropbox in terms of storage, Photoshop in creating graphics, HostGator for hosting your websites, ClickFunnels for creating funnels, of course, Aweber for your autoresponders, and Zoom Webinar for your webinars. Now, although they are putting themselves up there with these services, which I consider as gold standard, whether they can match them is another question, and therefore put ProSuite to great use in that 30 days and test it against all of these 6 services to see if it matches up. Now, of course, the great benefit of ProSuite, provided everything works well, is that you have one dashboard where you can perform all the services that you need to instead of juggling and toggling between different services. So rest assured that there are tutorials and training included as well. And the price for ProSuite when you pick it up during this launch phase is just $17 one time. So let's check out what the features are for each one of these 6 services that come bundled with ProSuite. You can find all of them here. So check it out and see if this meets your requirements. What I find interesting is that you can host limitless websites, ultra fast loading, and as I mentioned earlier, how fast it is difficult to verify because it's not comparing with any other service out there. Now you can also personalize unlimited email accounts. So that's great. And unprecedented bandwidth. And just like some of the other popular services out there, web hosting services, that is a one-click installer for WordPress. Now, with regards to data storage, this is my biggest concern. This is all that you get with the data storage. Now, my biggest concern is that for $17 one time, how will they sustain the data storage? Because data storage is not cheap. So will they be able to sustain beyond 1 year, 5 years? And if they don't, then you will have to pack up and look for another provider. Now have a look at the features for the webinar creation. Now they are throwing in ready-made webinars as well, so you can instantly make money selling these webinars. But what these webinars are is not stated. So whether it matches the niches that you are already in is a big question mark. And these are the features that come with the autoresponder section of ProSuite. Now, one good thing about ProSuite's autoresponder is that they use a free SMTP. Now, with the funnel building service, you can drag and drop elements. You can pick templates that you wish, and there are done for you affiliate products to sell as well. So here's another way that you can make money after picking up ProSuite. And with regards to graphic designing, this is what you get. So here are a few more testimonials on the sales page, another 4. Again, there are no names attached to these testimonials. And here are the 4 bonuses that were mentioned earlier: Pro Crypto Profit, Pro Course, Members Pro, and Pro WhatsApp Store Builder. And he's also throwing in a free commercial license. So a 30-day money-back guarantee is a satisfaction-based guarantee. Now, guys, here is another strange thing I have found in the FAQ. Under the restrictions part, he says it's 100% hosted on the cloud. You can get access from any device of your choice at any time and get all 8 digital solutions. But what is listed on the sales page is just 6. So I'm wondering if this is a rehash of a previous product and 2 of these solutions have been removed. Now, what type of support do they provide? Apparently, it's round the clock. So it's round the clock 24/7, or is it 24/6 or 24/5? It's not stated. So once again, you need to check this out. If you do pick up ProSuite, these are the concerns that I've shared with you, and you have to do your due diligence if you do indeed plan to pick it up. All right, people. So the information on the OTOs is very skimpy at the moment, as I do this recording on the day of the launch, a few hours before launch. Upgrade number 1 is going for $37 one time. Upgrade 2 is $67 one time. Upgrade 3, $47. Upgrade 4 is $197 one time. Upgrade 5 is $97, and upgrade 6 is $297. And there you go, guys. I hope that quick walkthrough and demo of ProSuite has shown you the advantages as well as the flaws of ProSuite, and this will help you make an informed decision. Now, if you haven't already, subscribe, click the bell icon, and select all notifications. And if you would like to check out ProSuite yourself and do your own due diligence, click the link below.